So this is the other guy coming to you this morning. So this is a rock slider made from Tro gear. It's a simple rock slider, and it's made for a third generation 4Runner. So let me show you what it comes with. It comes with the low range off-road.com bracket. This is the bracketry, okay, and also comes with round tube legs. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 legs. So what we're gonna do, and also let's see, also comes with these little gussets. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna gusset it after we mock it up onto the bad boy here. And I was just telling him he wanted to be as close to the body here as possible. So I told him, I'll do what you want me to do, but let me tell you the pros and cons of what you want. So I said, okay, well, rock sliders are supposed to be made to protect the underside and also some part of the body. So if you make it so close to here, when you skip over a rock, it'll come rubbing this way and it'll hit this part. So what I suggest is that if it's okay with you, we make the rock slider come up, but come up in a certain way that it's far enough to protect the rear flare here, because you don't want the rock to take this flare out. It'd be a pain in the butt. So he said, yeah, let's just do that. So that's what we're doing. I'm making it come as close as possible up here, at the same time being able to protect that flare. There's not much I can do here, because here the wheel is already protecting the flare here. So that's what we're doing. We're trying to protect that rear flare, and as well as the rocker panel underneath. So that's what we're doing, guys. If you are interested in this video, let's go have some fun. All right, folks, so this is how this thing looks like. We've mocked it up like this. We've mocked it up. We measured the angle of deflection here. It is at 25.4 degrees. Okay, so this is how the bad boys look. There's a 2-finger space between here and the rocker panel, which is really good for deflection, for flexing. So as you can see, we spare this bolt right here, so if anything happened to this, they can replace this rocker panel. They can also replace this fender. So yeah, it's coming in really, really well. It's been fun. I haven't tacked it in yet, but we're gonna do this right now.
rừng đi mò ta lo nhỏ ý lên cụ lu chết xe to cụ lu cầm bao của cha có chi bỏ cụ bao tia có gió chi ta lo khi này nọ chưa mua ý đâu sơ cha mà nó cụ nhỏ ý lên cụ đã chỉ lo họ cha chỉ sống cụ lu xe cho chỉ tao có gió cây lưu kia muốn gió có từ lo gặp giật cây lưu nhau cuốn chuột xe Cha mong nó chỉ giống đi ya ta lo nhỏ đi lên cùng nhỏ trên chia to cùng nhỏ cho thông qua cú tàu qua có lưu va chế cho xin này nó chỉ mua ý cho sơ cha mong nó cùng nhỏ đi lên cùng ở đã chỉ lo qua đã chỉ sống cùng lưu xe cho chỉ tao cả cho cây lưu khi muốn cho khó từ lo gặp rất khi lưu nhau muốn cho xe
mock-up, and I've welded it the way I said I would. So I'm mocking this up before I weld this thing onto the frame of the truck. Oh wow, this looks really nice. Okay, I'll show you how I mock this up. So this right here, the space between the door is about one finger distance. The rocker panel is about 2 finger distance. So this leaves room for the thing to flex up and down. Okay, and it's clamped on. Okay, clamped on, clamped on. So I'm gonna weld here up over the other side around. It's gonna be one strong Rockslider. Yeah, so let's do it. I'll show you. Okay, so the bottom is welded in. Hasn't been brushed yet. You can see the hot heat transference onto the metal. Hasn't been brushed yet, so excuse the dingleberries. I have to weld it upside down and welded uphill as well. Welding upside down, welded uphill, and yonder. So this is how the bad boys look, guys. She is solid. That vibration is this. But other than that, she is rock solid. The hardest part is welding upside down. I'll let you know that. Welding upside down, and I am only that much. One hand, that much. Space between me and the underside. If I have a shop lift, it would be a better bead, going upside down and inside out and uphill and downhill. You don't want to do downhill because downhill is not good for penetration. So yeah, coming along very, very fine. So she is done. This is how she looks like underneath, just like the other side. Welded in. Okay. All right. It's still sizzling hot right now. So she needs to be brushed with the wire brush to make it look good. And some of these just needs to be sanded down a little bit. And it's good. All right. There. All right. Okay. We're gonna try. Okay. First time ever. We're gonna make it so that this wheel right here starts to spin. Okay. She's free. Let's open the door. All right. So you can open the door. One finger. And here as well. That's great. So free as a bird. All right. So that's that, guys. Well, let me know what your thoughts are.